That's that old heat coming up out of Chunky's loft. By the way, a young Chris I eats up that white heat. So, we got the Northwest Roller Fourm. Some item auctioned off. Some feeders. Got Mitch Reed from Oregon. Ali. We'll do the interview. So you gonna bid on some birds today?
Throw a little bit of money down on birds today, but
and what birds is it that you fly?
Birmingham Rollers.
Okay. That's a good answer.
Sure. I was talking to I'll tell you this.
We got old Rig Me here. His birds and family. These will be up for auction at the Northwest here Roller Fourm. Yeah, that's a silver. That's a pretty bird. Go on and bid for it.
He is actually the best looking one. Let me put him up there. Yeah. He'll tell you my birds are never going to be hunted. Which one looks better?
These is Rig Me birds. We have an auction going on here in a minute.
Sell that kid. He crazy as hell. Especially when you got a deep music.
Get you a keychain?
Huh?
Okay.
They're really good.
These are Irish birds. By the way of Stanwood, Washington. Online auction birds. Online auctions.
This one? Recessive red? And this cock.
Now, what birds are these?
They're not a pair. I mean, this.
Do you want to do it as a
These are Rick birds.
I'm just asking.
Go on in BRC line. This whole row is Rig Me birds. To you Rig Me fans.
And then I got these two here.
He was going to get some.
Ray and mine. Ray's wife and my wife, but
He said he was talking to them for an hour or more. Send the ones I don't want, because I'm going to overhatch this year. I was going to be completely done.
We're at the Northwest Roller Fourm. We got some raffle auctions right here. It's going to be raffled off. We got pigeon rollers from Southern California, Washington, and some other places.
You guys going to do it? You doing the auction?
The auction will start at 12:30, but about 12:15 I'll set a little thing, probably right by a little piece of wood right there, and we'll set that.
Come on and spend this good money with us. Is that an Andalusian? That must be one of your project birds.